Hello everyone, so today's topic is about divorce and bankruptcy and property risk. It's married versus cohabiting and why the difference matters in bankruptcy. So here's something that surprises many people when they first hear about it. The law treats married couples and unmarried couples very differently when it comes to property rights, and those differences can become extremely important in bankruptcy, even in the most complex bankruptcies. Many people assume that if two people have lived together for years, shared bills and built a life together, the law will treat them same as if they were married. But the legal position can be very different. So when a married couple divorces, the family court has wide powers to redistribute assets because it happens between the spouses. The court can consider the entire financial position of the couple, including the house, savings, pensions, businesses and investments. The aim is to reach a fair outcome. However, if a couple is not married and simply living together, the situation changes significantly. There's no automatic legal right to a share of the property simply because two people have lived together. It's quite shocking because ownership usually depends on two things: whose name is on the legal title to the property and whether the other partner has what the law calls a beneficial interest. A beneficial interest can arise if someone contributed to the deposit, paid part of the mortgage, or funded improvements to the property. If one partner later becomes bankrupt, a trustee will examine property ownership really carefully. If the bankrupt person owns part of the property, their share may form part of the bankruptcy estate. If the property is legally owned by the other partner, the trustee may investigate whether the bankrupt individual has a beneficial interest. So, for example, if they contributed heavily to the mortgage or funded renovations. The key point is that relationship status, ownership and financial contributions can all affect what happens in bankruptcy. If you want to understand how insolvency law can affect property ownership and personal financial risk, then visit navigatebr.com or follow me here on LinkedIn, YouTube for further guidance, or you can book a meeting with me on my website.